So guys, welcome again from Greece, and today I'm here in my village and I have the opportunity to drive one 5-liter Ford Mustang GT. As you can see, this is the 5-liter engine, naturally aspirated with 420 horsepower, and we have also the opportunity to drive the car, but I will make one round to see the car. So California special. This is the first time I drive a Mustang, and also the first time I make a video with a Mustang. And I have also my cousin here. He has also the same car but in another color. So let's take also a look to the engine and then let's drive. Oh, it's very heavy. So take a look. Muscle car. Count and filter. So let's drive. But before it's close, I will ask my cousin to do a sound check. Nice. So let's drive. Let's drive. Now we go to another city and we will have also the opportunity to push it, but not so hard, because like I mentioned, this is not my car again. So let's go. Έχει traction control και αυτά και τέτοια. Ναι.
Τώρα είναι όλα ανοιχτά, άμα θες εδώ πέρα τα
No. Ah, this is the modes here, eh? Okay. Here is drive mode, normal, sport, racetrack, and snow wet. Again. Okay. So I will ask in Greek and I will tell you in English. Λοιπόν, το normal, τι είναι το normal?
Το normal είναι όπως οδηγάς εδώ πέρα να οδηγάς comfort.
Ναι, οκ.
Το sport plus είναι άμα θες να το πατήσεις ότι δίνει παραπάνω ροπή και αυτά όλα.
Αλλάζουν και ταχύτητες έτσι, πιο αργά, έτσι δεν είναι?
Ναι, μπράβο.
Okay.
Το racetrack βγαίνει και το traction control πάντα.
Οκ. Και το άλλο είναι το snow, είναι πιο αργό, ναι, για να μην χάνει.
Σε περίπτωση βροχής και αυτά όλα. Άμα θες να κάνεις με τα paddles εδώ πέρα, το βάζεις στο S.
Οκ.
Και μετά το έχεις πάντα εκεί πέρα για να μείνει πάντα η ταχύτητα.
Okay, we have I will show you that. We have the normal mode and then we have the sport mode. Okay, normal mode, sport plus. It increases the RPMs and also you have more power. And then you have also the race mode. The racetrack mode is everything off. Also the traction control, this is a little tricky with this car, and especially when you don't know the car like me, this is the first time. So I will keep it here. You have also the snow and wet. I think this is, you must be because the car is a rear wheel drive. So let's see, I will do now. I will drive to Sport Plus, and now τώρα μπορώ να αλλάξω ταχύτητες εγώ. And then when you...
Πάντα το μία εδώ πέρα.
Ναι, ξέρω. Okay, now we have 4, third gear, and then fourth gear. Okay.
Απλά στο sport μένουν οι ταχύτητες, κατάλαβες. Άμα το έχεις στο D θα πήγαινε πάλι στα αυτόματα.
Κατάλαβα, ναι, μένουν εκεί. Okay. When you are in Sport Plus and you put the gas. Εδώ, ναι, ξέρω. 6-gear automatic, not double clutch. This is 2017 car. Ταχύτητα άμα την αλλάξω αλλάζει.
Ναι.
Αλλάζει, Ας το έχω εδώ πέρα.
Θα τα αλλάξει.
Ναι. Μόνο το αλλάζει ή πιάνει κόφτη?
Δεν ξέρω.
I'll το δοκιμάσω. I will try later when we are on the highway. I will try because but my first impression is that you feel that the car is very heavy. Είναι βαρύ, πόσο βάρος έχει?
Δεν ξέρω, θα συγκαλάσω.
Yeah, almost 1.8.
Θα βρεθούμε στο Κουτούλα. Εκεί θα που βάλαμε βενζίνα. Εντάξει. I want to see if the gearbox changes or you must change. So I will make one downshift, third gear. No, here. No, third. No, you must change. I think let's see now. Το normal είναι εδώ, Ναι.
Okay.
Sport Plus.
Ναι. I think now it will change the gears auto. Okay. At 6.5, almost 7,000 RPMs, changes the gear. Nice. Okay. You have also here miles and kilometers. στην αναρτήσεις?
Όχι,
Όχι, άμα το...
όχι, είναι normal.
Ναι.
Το καινούριο το μοντέλο έχει
Α.
το magnetic παλάτι.
Okay. Steering wheel and suspension stays the same. Doesn't matter which track mode you have. So now let's push it. Δύο χέρια κατεμένο. Κουνάει λίγο.
Ωραία.
Δικό μου είναι σαν go-kart.
Το δικό σου όμως είναι και όπλο.
Ναι, είναι άλλη κατηγορία. And you can feel how heavy the car is when you brake. You are in Greece now. You cannot overtake me.